Welcome. In front of me, I have an Android phone with the Instagram app open. So, first, I open the Instagram app, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you delete your Instagram account permanently using the latest method through Meta Account Center. Let's begin. First open the Instagram app and make sure you are logged in. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then tap the three lines at the top right corner and select setting and privacy or select account center. Okay. This is where you manage your Meta account like Instagram and Facebook. Tap on personal detail. Next tap on account ownership and control. Here tap on the option that say deactivation or deletion. You will now see a list of all accounts that is linked to your Meta profile. So tap on your Instagram account. Now choose delete account. Not deactivate but delete. Then click on continue. Instagram will now ask for a reason. Select any option from the list. So I select the privacy concern. Then tap on continue. Again tap on continue. And again tap on continue. Enter your Instagram password to confirm, and that's it. Your account is now scheduled for a permanent deletion. You will have 30 days to log back in if you change your mind. Otherwise, it will be deleted permanently, and that is how you delete your Instagram account using the Meta Account Center, the latest method as of 2025. So thanks for watching. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, leave a comment if you had any issue, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorial. See you in the next one.